Hi Stan, this is Tiffany at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 1 mile from the Galleria on Highway 31. I want to thank you for inquiring on the G80. We don't have any 2017s in stock, but we can get you one. This one's an 18. Some of the standard features on here, you're going to have wraparound headlights, you're going to have high beam assist, smart cruise, leather. There are so many things on this vehicle, I can't name them all. The best thing about this car is America's best warranty. 5 years, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited roadside assistance, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double here at Tameron to 20 years, 200,000 miles, no strings attached. Also, you're going to have 3 years maintenance-free concierge service. Basically, if you're within 20 miles of the dealership, you give us a day notice, we'll bring you a car, take yours, do the maintenance for free, bring it back. So you're 3 years maintenance free with this car. Come see me, I'm no pressure. If you just want to take a test drive, I'm good with that. That makes me happy. Number here is 205-380-6250. If you have any questions, give me a call, but I would love to see you, and I promise I will not be pushy. I'm your girl. Give me a call.